Your PC is slow. It is not the hardware, not the software that you installed on your device that make it slow. It is because there are two settings you ignore that eat up your RAM on your device. So if you're able to fix these two settings, your PC will improve and run very fast. A lot of Windows users ignore this. It is because they don't know the importance of the settings. That is why you are very lucky to have yourself on this video. So I walk you through the process. In 2 minutes, you are good to go. The first thing you have to do is to turn off what is called sysmin. Sysmin is a system built in Windows services that help improve the performance of your PC by preloading frequently used apps in the RAM. It analyzes your PC usage to predict what app you may likely use and preload them, allowing for quick app launch. So this particular system called sysmin on your device is what make your RAM filled up and make your device to run slowly. So here is how to disable it. Come to this startup button, right click on run. Then from the window that comes up, type in services.mxc. Hit the enter button. It comes out like this. So from the list of options here, locate what is called sysmin. Here is the button. You can see it's running automatic. So disable this particular setting on your device, and it's very simple. Right click, then click on stop. Wait for it to stop running. Now right click on it again, click on properties, then go to this button that says start up type here. Click the arrow here, turn it to disable, click on apply, click on OK, then close this window. The second step that you need to do is to turn off the widgets. Now to do that is very simple, because either use your widget or not, it runs in background. Use your RAM, thereby making your device to run slowly, even slower than you expected. Come to this place, right click here, click on taskbar settings. Now here you see the widget button here. If it is on, make sure you toggle it off like this one. Then with these two settings in place, your Windows PC will run very fast because you've been able to create space for the RAM to breathe and perform very well. So that's all guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video, and if not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, drop your comment, and see you soon in our next video.